Today I'm going to show you a short but really powerful clip. It's kind of like a golden nugget that we took out of a training session that we did with one of our high-paying or high-value or expert clients, if you will, that are running their own business. And we taught them about e-commerce and how they can really grow their business. And one of the strategies that we use to really increase sales and branding and build a business that works profitably is influencer marketing. Now, influencer marketing is a term that's almost overused and everyone just throws it around there. But what does it actually mean and how do you actually use it? Well, watch this video to the end to find out, because in this video, we're going to reveal how this is actually used and how you can make best use of influencer marketing and how it can empower and really explode your business. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because you will find out how 8-figure sellers are using influencer marketing to really grow and explode their business, and how you can do it even if you're just starting out. So make sure you watch this to the end. Leave me a comment below with your thoughts. Does influencer marketing work for you? Do you think it could work for you, or do you think it's kind of not what you can use at your stage of your business? Let me know in the comments below. Leave me a like under this video if you think it was a good video and you took something away from it, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Enjoy this clip. It's a golden nugget, so watch it to the end. So one thing that happens is, because that magazine already has their own followers, those followers come to you, right? So you attract those customers. But the other thing that also happens at the same time is that helps you to rank your own website and your own blog. So, public relations. One thing I want to add to this is SEO. So your content, your blog, what that helps you with is SEO. This is something I need to add first. So what is SEO? What does that mean? You have your content, and your content is a valuable article, right? But how do people come to you? The people find you through, for example, Google. They Google for something. How do I grow Mariana at home? What are the best seeds? What is the best light? What is the right temperature? They Google this, right? And with search engine optimization, you optimize your article to rank for certain keywords. It's the same like Amazon, okay? So also, but this one is Google, okay? So in Google, you have spot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for each keyword, right? So the same that we have markup pants in Amazon, we have keywords in Google. Maybe your keyword is growth light, right?
Yes.
And there are people ranking for this keyword. Now, what SEO does, it helps you to optimize your blog post to rank, right? So for example, Google reads your blog post different than you and me. We read it, we look at the pictures, we look at the text that's interesting. Google reads it differently. Google reads it based on data. How long do people stay on the website? What do people look at? What are the keywords that are in the article? What are the words that I think as Google is most valuable, right? And then if we structure this a certain way, this is very technical, but if we structure the post a certain way that it's engaging to the human eye, so it makes sense, it keeps people, it builds trust and relationship, but also it makes sense to the technical side from Google. That makes a good article. And then that article ranks in Google so people can find it, right? So what the PR helps with is to help you rank, because there are multiple criteria within Google, okay? And one of the things that PR helps you, PR means you place an article with someone else. So you write an article about the best growth lights, right? And you have public relations, other magazines, and the magazines publish that article for you, right? So one thing that happens is, because that magazine already has their own followers, those followers come to you, right? So you attract those customers. But the other thing that also happens at the same time is that helps you to rank your own website and your own blog, because those publications, they have a lot of weight in Google. So it helps you rank in that. Okay, and this is how both are connected. Do you want to take over? Do you want to do? I cover social media, content marketing, a little bit SEO, email, and now we're at public relations.
Okay. Yep.
Okay.
So, well, let me. Okay. Sorry for. I had to take care of something. Now we're going with public relationship. Any questions? Like, do you understand how the concept behind, like, how important it is, and why we think that, for example, after talking all of these, we will have a importance. How important is each one of them, and have a number 1, 2, 3, 4 on the level of in time. How you should do each one of them to create a big brand.